Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at two interesting Lincoln cents from 1959, one from the Philadelphia Mint and one from the Denver Mint. We'll talk about their history, how to tell them apart, and of course, their value today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. 1959 was a big year for U.S. coins. It was the first year that the reverse design changed from the wheat ears to the Lincoln Memorial. The front still features Abraham Lincoln's portrait, but the back now showed the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. Both the 1959 and 1959 cents are made from 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc. The difference between these two coins is the mint mark. The 1959 coin with no mint mark was struck in Philadelphia, while the 1959 coin was struck in Denver. The mint mark D appears just below the date on the front. Both coins had huge mintages, over 600 million from Philadelphia, and over 1.2 billion from Denver, so they're not rare in most grades. However, some 1959 and 1959 cents are valuable if they have minting errors. Look for double dies, off-center strikes, or the rare 1959 mule cent with a wheat reverse, an error that has sold for tens of thousands of dollars. Even small doubling on the date or letters can make your coin worth much more than face value. A regular 1959 or 1959 in circulated condition is usually worth only 2 to 10 cents because of the high mintage. But in uncirculated, red, and graded MS65 or higher, they can sell for $5 to $20 or more. High-grade coins with full original luster are the ones collectors pay the most for. So, while most 1959 and 1959 Lincoln cents are common, special errors or high-grade examples can be surprisingly valuable. Always check your change, you never know what you might find. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can enjoy the hunt for coins.